Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 155. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 2 here. So this is our 6. That 9 means this is our 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here and an 8 here. So this is our 3. 8 makes us our 5, 8. For this column now, we're only missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here. So 8, 6. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this top row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 6 here means this is our 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing a 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. And that just leaves us to fill in the 1s and 5s however we want. So I'll make that the 1. That means this is the 5, 1, 5. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.